I noticed something um on the 001 formation website, and I I'm going to have it on video right now. Take a look. Alright, the thing is, I think a customer can input any price that they want, and then the system will let them go to checkout. Alright, so this is 119.99. Let me make this £7 and recalculate prices. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to try and check out now. So an order of 119.99, I have made it £7. I'm going to try and check out now. Can you see? Said no payment is required, and okay, I have to complete contact details, but it's still going to go through. It is contact details that made it not go through. Okay. Okay. So you see, an order of 119 was paid. A customer can as well impute any figure they want there.